All right, so this little stand from TikTok, oh, for badge reels, it works great for this. Now, I will tell you, I, however, do not want it to be all covered in epoxy if I can help it. So I am covering it with a little napkin. You might not care. I do. All right, so this one we're going to be doing with epoxy, but we're going to start out with paint. And this is just paint from the Dollar Tree. Ooh, that's a lot more than what I want. And I will say it's probably a good rule of thumb. Oh, and I used electrical tape to, tape it all off where I don't want stuff. And the other thing is, if you're using these that have the glittery tops up here, do your sides first and then across, because it will not hold well. Well, this is not like the best paint, and honestly, if I had a spray paint, that would just be quicker and better. But all I'm really doing is giving a base for my epoxy and my glitter. That's it. So no big deal. I'm just gonna let that start to dry, and I'm excited because I'm gonna do something that I have not done in a long time, and I'm gonna mix up some epoxy. Let me just stick a little piece of tape on this because I feel like it could end up covered in a whole lot of epoxy really quick, because we all know how messy epoxy is. So just give it a little protection. All right, I'm gonna just mix up some epoxy. I'm gonna I like to do about half as much glitter as epoxy. It's kind of my rule of thumb. Now, we'll see how it goes if I have to put another coat of epoxy on after or not. Look, I probably have 10 times more than what I need. I didn't let my paint dry, so it's kind of like mixing in there, but I'm kind of okay with it, if I'm being honest. I'm sort of digging that look. Now what you won't see is in a little while, as this starts to set a little bit, I will come and take the tape off. Look, this is actually really cool because the paint didn't dry and it is like swirled up in there. That's actually very cool. All right, so here is our finished product, and this turned out so good. I chose not to put a decal on this one, just like the last one I didn't put a decal on either, but it just, I can't help it. It is just so pretty, and these hand sanitizers really do smell delicious. Anyways, look how pretty this is. It turned out so good, nice and smooth. It looks so good. And then I made this little bead charm to go on it. And then we've got our little case. And then, so this guy will go in the case. Now, I do have a pink case also, but I just thought that the silver would look nice because, you know, the silver clips and then the silver and the thing. Oh, yeah, this is good. I like the silver. All right. Oh, yeah, look how pretty that looks. Oh, my gosh, that looks so good. So gorgeous. And then we got this guy here that we'll put on. And here is our finished product. I need to shove my little string up in there. I'll do that after. But yep, here is our finished product. And it is absolutely beautiful. I love it so much. These are truly so pretty. And how fun for yourself or as a gift. I really believe that you could easily sell these things too. Like, they're so cute. I'm just gonna take my little strings and shove them in. So I always just put the string in, the bead above or below, whatever. I do always, on my little clasps, I put a little bit of glue so that they don't fall off. But how stinking cute is this? I don't know about you, but I would totally buy this. Oh my God. Love it. Anyways, I will see you guys later. Bye.